Hello students, my name is Rajan Kumar. Today I am going to start coordinate geometry. This is a new topic, new chapter, and I am going to derive the formula, distance formula in coordinate geometry. This video for class 10 mathematics. Look on this. Distance formula. We have to plot a graph y, o, y dash. It is a y axis. X, O, X dash, it is the X axis. We have to plot the graph. We have to take two distinct points. One point is A, another point is B. The coordinate of A, x1, y1, and the coordinate of B, x2, y2. We have to find the distance between A and B. How to calculate it? We have to do construction. Draw AL perpendicular to x-axis, draw BM perpendicular to x-axis, and draw AC perpendicular to BC. Okay. So I got one right angle triangle named ACB, where angle C is 90 degree. Now this is the x1. So from point A, if you draw perpendicular at point L, it is x1 naming. And if you draw perpendicular on y-axis, this is called y1. Clear? From point B, if you draw perpendicular, M coordinate is x2, x value is x2, and when you draw perpendicular on y-axis, it is y2. Clear? Now here it is. What is the length of AC? Same length, it is LM, because it is a shape of rectangle. Opposite side are equal in length. If you calculate the length of LM, we can use for the AC. Now LM we can say OM minus OL. OM distance is x2, by the name it is distance, and OL distance x1. So by x2, if you subtract x1, you are getting distance x2 minus x1. From x2 you will subtract x1. The ML distance is x2 minus x1, the AC distance is x2 minus x1. We can write here also x2 minus x1. Now for BC, B to M, it is a distance y2 to 0. So BM distance is y2 and BC distance is, we have to calculate. So at the point of A, coordinate for y is y1. So what is the height of A? Same height for C also. So if A has y value y1 on y axis, so C has also y value y1 with y axis. So A and C both have same height, that is y1. Okay. So CM distance is y1 and BM distance is y2. So from y2, if you subtract y1, you are getting BC y2 minus y1. Clear? Understood? This is the y2. This is the y2 and it is y1. From y2, if you subtract y1, it is y2 minus y1. Now, look in the right angle triangle. Angle C is 90 degree. Base is x2 minus x1. And perpendicular is y2 minus y1. We have to find the hypotenuse, that is the D4 distance of AB between A and B points. Okay. So use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is base square plus perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square. So I am just using AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. AC value is x2 minus x1 written there, whole square. And BC distance is y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a square form. If it is go that side, it is in root. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? Now the concept is coming, how to calculate the distance of any point from the origin. How to calculate the distance of any point from the origin. So look at this. This is the point A, whose coordinate is x comma y, and this is the origin O, whose coordinate is 0 comma 0. This is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. Look at this. So what is the distance of A from the origin? And in OA we have to calculate. OA we have to calculate. By the distance formula, under root x2 minus x1 to the whole square and y2 minus y1 to the whole square. Clear? So this is the x1 y1 and x2 y2. It is behave like x1 y1, it is behave like x2 y2. Put all this, so d equal to, here you can say OA equal to under root x2 value is x and x1 value is 0. X minus 0 to the whole square plus y minus 0 to the whole square. Here it is under root x square plus y square. This is the OA. Yes, sir.
A1.
Now, here it is OA equal to under root x square plus y square. Confirm. No problem it is. Now, next question is coming. That is a very short question. Okay. Question is that we have to calculate the distance between point A, coordinate minus 1 minus 4, and another point B, coordinate 7 comma minus 2. How to calculate? Okay, this distance we have to calculate. So AB equal to under root 7 minus minus 1, 7 minus minus 1, keep in bracket, in curly bracket, whole square, plus minus 2 minus minus 4, minus 2 minus minus 4, and I'll keep in bracket to the whole square. Okay, it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Thus, it is 7 minus minus 1 to the whole square, minus 2 minus minus 4 to the whole square. So here it is a distance 7 plus 1 whole square minus minus plus, and here it is minus 2 plus 4 to the whole square. Here it is 8 square, 4 minus 2 become 2 to the whole square. It is 64 plus 4 equal to under root 68. We can break it in the prime factor. So here it is under root 2 into 2 into 7. And now for 2 we have to take 1 2 out of the root. So AB equal to 2 and 7 is single, so it will remain in the root unit. This is the distance between A and B. Okay. Now some question is coming like that. Some question is coming like that. Here it is. Find if the point P, coordinate is k minus 1 comma 2, is equidistant from the points equidistant from the point A and B. A coordinate 3 comma k and B coordinate k comma 5. Find k. We have to calculate for k. How to do the calculation for it? So look at this. One point is P. Okay, one point is P. The coordinate is given k minus 1 comma 2. Another point is A. Coordinate is given 3 comma k. And the second point is C coordinate is k comma 5. According to this, distance are same. And if the distance of P from A and C are same, the PA equal to PC we can go. And we have to calculate for K. So look at this. What is this? Solution it is according to question PA equal to PB. So how to do the calculation? Simple it is. It is x2 y2 and it is x1 y1. Find the distance under root x2 minus x1 k minus 1 minus 3 to the whole square. Okay, x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 2 minus k to the whole square. We just put the minus in middle. Okay, now PB not say PC. Yeah, you can say PB. Why I write this one? Better to do this one. Now PB. It is x1 y1, x2 minus x1, k minus 1 minus k to the whole square plus x2 minus x1 or y2 minus y1, 2 minus 5 to the whole square. Clear? Now we go further. Under root minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 to the whole square, and here it is 2 minus k to the whole square, and there it is k no more, minus 1 square 1 and minus 3 whole square 9. So it will be, what is this? Under root k minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus k whole square equal to root 10. If I have to remove root from both sides, I have to do square on both sides. On squaring both sides, we get, okay. So if you do square, this root sign will remove from LHS and RHS. So k minus 4 to the whole square, k minus 4 to the whole square, 2 minus k to the whole square equal to root 10 square become 10. Just break in the formula of a minus b whole square. A square 4 square 16 minus 2ab, the 2 into k into 4, 8a. Now a minus b whole square also here, a square 4 b square k square minus 2ab, the minus 2 into 2 4 into k 4k equal to 10. K square it is 2k square. Now minus 8 minus 4 minus 12k and 16 and 4 20 equal to 0. Okay, take common 2. Here it is. If you take common 2, because k square 2k square, 16 and 4 20 are minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. 2 take common. So if you take common 2, k square minus 6k plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, k square minus 6k plus 10 equal to 0. Let me look what is going on here. Oh my God, it is 10. This is square 16, this is square 4, and this, oh my God, it is 10. Because 16 and 4 20, and 10 will subtract here 10, it is not. This is 10, my dear. Now here it is 5. Now it is 5. Look at this. 16 for 20, and 10 will come this side. 20 minus 10 become 10. And now if you take common 2, 2, 2, so here k square minus 6k plus 5 equal to 0. Now look this side. k square. These 2 will go that side, 0 by 2 become 0. So I just take k square minus 6k plus 5 equal to 0. Use the spreading momentum, it is 1. It is 5, 1 into 5, 5 and 1, 6. So in the place of minus 6, we can write minus 1k and minus 5k equal to 0. Take common k minus 1, minus 5 take common, k minus 1 equal to 0. K minus 1 take common, k minus 5 equal to 0. K is 1, k minus 1 equal to 0, k equal to 1. K is 2, k minus 5 equal to 0, k equal to 5. These are the solution for k. Understanding, my dear? Now thanks for it.